Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to install Telegram X on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to install Telegram X on our phone, first open up your Play Store on your phone. After opening your Play Store, guys, you can see there is a search bar available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on it and search for the app Telegram X and search for it. And you can see, guys, the Telegram X is available for us at the top of the list over here, just above the Telegram. Tap on Telegram X and the install button will be available for you as well. Tap on install and that app will be downloaded momentarily, so let's wait for it. And it has been downloaded, guys. Now it's installing on our phone, so let's wait for it. And you can see, guys, the Telegram X has been downloaded and installed on our phone. Let's open it, and after opening, guys, you will be required to sign up for a Telegram X account from over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to download and install the Telegram X on our phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.